Hello, and welcome back to another episode of Soviet Republic, and welcome back to, let's talk about finances. What do you think about that? Let's try to turn that throne upside down. Right, first thing, I'm recording this only like half an hour since the last episode was released. I hope I did do the proper job to release it, but in any case, I'm recording this kind of shortly before. I didn't have you a lot of time. I didn't give you a lot of time to reply to that. What I would like to say is something that I didn't do in a long time. Like I'd never done it, and I should have done it a long time ago. I'm still working on proper thank you for this, but I'm just gonna call out some people like Old Gala, TF, Tom, you know who you are, Lance, Gary, Steven, Mr. Moore, Aya, BC74SJ, Mr. M, Plastic Putin, we know who you are, and Tsetsa Kevafi, plus Angry Old Man, Cheap Kama, and Kopti for supporting this channel. Now that actually I am using this support that you gave me for that you supported this channel with the first time, I wanted to say thank you for this, and I definitely need to say more, do more about this. I was trying to make proper part of every video thanking you this. I'm gonna do it verbally now, but in the future I hopefully gonna create a nice thank you note for all of you who helped and supported this channel, especially Old Gala and Tom. Right, that being said, again, Oolykee is I think one day away from assembling new or putting new parts in the old PC, how it works, and I just wanted to give you a thanks for everything, guys, that you did for the channel, and I really appreciate it. Anyway, continuing on, we're gonna do some metrics. 73% happiness at the moment, I think it just jumped up, and 70% productivity. This is nice, also known as noise. What we're gonna have to focus on in this episode, keeping this factory productive. That means we're gonna have to add a value to these chemicals, which is gonna be in form of clothing. Distribution offices are still not done. I'm kind of hoping they're gonna be done shortly. One of these are they're gonna start building them, I think, shortly, and I hope I'm gonna focus on that one so we can have at least one of them operational. I'm gonna go and check out some of the construction offices. You can see that very little work has been left for us to do, and I will definitely focus on the finishing these. You can see that we're missing a lot of bricks. We do have like 32 tons of bricks. They're constantly being imported. That's all kind of common knowledge. We do have our first repair station, which requires some materials. We are making, how do I do this? Plastic, mechanical components, electrical components, electronics. Mechanical components, electrical components, plastics, fabrics. Okay, all of this stuff, I'm gonna do a magic now. I'm gonna go for the total capacity covered hull. Correct me if I'm wrong, but all of this stuff fits in one single truck. Do we have something nice that we like, that we're gonna start supplying these Zubers? Sold. Zuber, we're gonna go with a Zuber, and this Zuber is gonna have currently, whoa, seriously, what's your status? 63%. Zuber is gonna do this. Zuber is going here, and Zuber is going going here. Zuber can carry all of this stuff. Can carry plastics, mechanical components, electrical components. So we're gonna try to do the smart stuff that 3 Division actually implemented in this game long time ago. So we're gonna go fabric. We're gonna go for the electrical components, mechanical components, plastics, and electronics. We're gonna set this one truck to this, and here we're gonna unload everything. That's fine, we don't need to wait to be unloaded. Do we see the consumption of parts that we're gonna have to use here? It doesn't say, office working 3 kilometers. I think there's going to be a queue. I'm just going to leave at 1 kilometer, but I think there's going to be a queue of trucks actually coming to work here. So this is done now. We need to get this truck to actually deliver these parts. So we need to go into the details of this truck. Let me see if I can find it. Advanced setup. Here we go. And I'm gonna go for. We need to go for 20% of each one of these. Can I say? No, I can't. Let's go for this. 20%. And then we have electronics. We're gonna go to 0. 20%. We're gonna see the chemicals, clothes, electrical components. Again, go to 0. It's 10% each click, so 20%. And then I think this is the last one here that we're gonna need. 1, 2. Okay, so I'm gonna tell them don't go back, and you need to go and load these parts. So this is advanced setup. The vehicle is supposed to be transporting 750 kilos of mechanical components, 530 kilos of electronics, 1.1 ton of fabrics, the 380 kilos of plastics, and the 530 kilos of electronics. At the moment, I think it's going to be rushing for the refueling first. Don't we have a refueling station here? Indeed we do. So, well, let him do the voodoo that he do so well. So I'm kind of okay with this. The bus station here is not set to supply these guys with workers, which we're gonna do right now. We can do it like this. 50% needs to go to the heating plant, so we're gonna get some workers here as well. But first we need to get the materials. I don't know how much they're gonna... Oh, steel and aluminum. I forgot about that part. Steel is definitely gonna be needed for this, I think. We'll see when they start operating. Nothing to repair. Okay, first workers are here. Okay, that's great. I'm actually quite looking forward to this, and I'm gonna monitor this. Oh, research, okay. Happiness is too low. What's your happiness? 48%. This is quite low, and again, I can't explain this, but I think shortly. Finished research, loyalty low. So let's see, finished research. I'm gonna go on the fire defense. It's always good to have less fires. Here we go. This is done as well. We have the Secret Service. I'm gonna get some cars here, the ugliest possible. So we're gonna get one of these and one of these. Do I have red ones? I should have gone for something colored. Inconspicuous. Is that the word? Is that how it goes? Oolykee is really bad sometimes with words. So wait, where am I? Ah, here. Here we are. Where is our little truck that is gonna be importing all the repair stuff? Oh, these are the... okay. I really want to focus on this. I really want to see how this works. I think all of you want to see how this works as well. And because we have decent amount of really bad quality. Some of the trucks that we... let's do this. Do we have... I think all of this is going to be supplied by our distribution offices, but we need to finish them first. Okay, while we wait for the trucks to deliver first parts, I actually want to get the steel delivered as well. So let's go for the show all open hull, and I'm going to do the same thing, the smallest open hull we have. I'm going to deliver the same thing here. I'm going to pause Zastava. We need to unpause and have it at the... Come on, chop. Where's the border crossing again? Here we go. Come on, allow it to move. Oh, look at the border crossing here. A lot of trucks waiting to be loaded. Is our little truck here? No, these are concrete mixers mostly. The new truck that we just... I'm gonna pause this. The new truck that we just selected is here. I'm gonna give it... I will give it capacity, limited capacity. So we're gonna go again the same advanced setup. You're gonna go for steel. I think I'm gonna go 1, 2, 80% of steel, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 20% aluminium. That's it, and you're gonna be loading only steel and aluminium, and unloading, well, everything. and don't go to storage, and that's it. It's gonna refuel and hopefully just deliver materials that we need. Only one person working here, and I don't see any cars queued up to be repaired. That's okay. Do we have any waste containers close to this? This is one of the things as well that I'm not paying attention to enough in this game. So let's go for the overlays. The last one here, and then containers, 3 kilometers. You can see that they are being filled slowly but surely. These ones are the important ones. I think I have this little truck going just from here to there, constantly unloading all of this trash that we have here. Construction waste is 270 kilos. I don't know why this is not being pushed out. Plastic waste and steel are going to be used here or stored here because we don't have that much of it. And this is the one that I'm talking about, that is just unloading the trash. That's fine. Okay, focus. We need to focus on our vehicle repair station because I think we have a lot of vehicles to repair. Okay, that's done. What I need to do is, what I initially wanted to do is set up some of these construction offices to finish some of the projects that we have. So let's go one by one. Here we have the lasagna distribution office. It should have a lot of Škodas delivering bricks, and it does. So we're gonna assign bus construction 1 on you on this project. Yeah, go away. Plumbing, we already have stuff here. That's perfect. Bus construction 2, go away. I knew it. You can't. I hate 3D vision. Okay. Hi, that's fine. They still didn't fix this. And then we're gonna go bus 3, that's the last one. Plumbing, again we're gonna go for bus 1. I'm gonna give them 2 projects each. Road, this is nothing we can do. It has a mechanism slot, leave it alone. Technical services, the groundwork needs to be finished here. Road is being done. Road is being done. Road is not being done, but it's gonna be, so leave them alone. And these technical, okay, that's it. I don't have anything else to assign to them, so that should be fine. Still nothing here. We still have a problem here with fuel. We have only one fuel tanker, I think only one fuel tanker delivering fuel. No, we have the W50 as well working on this. So yeah, we have quite a few of them. Anyway, look. Let's let everything be restocked. We're gonna do a 20-minute time lapse, 20 minutes for you, 5 minutes, sorry, for me, 20 minutes for me, 5 minutes for you, and see you back in 5. Right, here we go, here we go. Okay, so the deal is, I had an epiphany. That's a shot of whiskey. Epiphany. No, it's, I'm seeing, I think I'm understanding how the repair thing works. So we have here the vehicles. Vehicles can have, you can see here some of them don't have resources. That's in this case it's electrical components and mechanical components. They are being repaired. Some of the vehicles are on the way, as you can see. They need, looks like, mechanical components more so than anything else. Steel as well. It doesn't really say which. Okay, steel and mechanical, both of those. That's fine. The only reason why we don't have them at the moment, wow, look at these wear and tear, 64%. It looks cool. I love it. I actually really love it, how this works. It doesn't show me vehicles. Well, this vehicle should be in here, right? Oh, okay. They're fixing it on the site. Okay, they're listed there as well. So you have vehicles that are coming here to be fixed, and there's none of them there at the moment. None of them are coming in to be fixed, at least I don't see any. We'll monitor this for next 10 minutes or so. Here we go, the parts are coming. Machine parts, 750 kilos of them, and then we're gonna have steel. This guy here says that there's no resources. What about the vehicle going on site? Let's check out this one. This is important part. This little vehicle here, it has capacity for... Come on, you're it, right? No, it's here, sorry, this one. It has a capacity for things called service materials. And these service materials are like, you know, machine parts and whatever they need to fix the vehicles. You can see here that at the moment, why are they not moving? That's an interesting part. I did this previously, and... it's using these materials to fix the trucks that are in your distribution offices and your construction offices and so on and so on. But in this case it's not showing. Let's see, it's gonna repair this one here. It's still not going down. Okay, some vehicles are changing. Let's see, 65% is this vehicle that just parked in there, 65%, and we still have 0.5 tons of materials. That's pretty easy to remember, so let's go and check out if any vehicles are coming here to be repaired. Actually not yet, that's surprising. I would expect vehicles to come here more often. At the moment, 65%, still the same situation, they're still not repairing it. Interesting. Obviously my understanding how this works, I did follow it on one of the construction offices, and what happened is that vehicle came here and started repairing everything. Here we go, we are depleting it here in this one. It's actually going down pretty fast. So let's say this vehicle here is 55%, it's in the same office here. Oh, unfortunately he left. I wanted to demonstrate how it repairs the vehicles on site here, so wear and tear and all that stuff. It's interesting thing that it doesn't repair this one. This one is wear and tear 100%. I would assume that this is totally destroyed vehicle. I'm not sure if it's able to be repaired or not, but we'll see, obviously. Look at these guys here. They're driving at 50 kilometers per hour, 54. Wear and tear 80%, so I think their speed is affected as well as they get damaged. So yeah, interesting, really interesting stuff. I think it's another level of challenge for everybody who wants to play this game, but unfortunately I don't see... I am gonna have to test this out a little bit more to understand how this works. You see here no resources. This vehicle is still parked here and it's waiting to be fixed. We do have a car here. Let's see if I press this Control H, because this car for some reason did not fix anything, and looks like it was fixing this vehicle. Yeah, you can see here the vehicles in the list to be fixed. There's only 4 of them, and looks like our vehicles, these 2 little guys, are actually going on site to fix them. I did not notice any. You can see here that says here a vehicle is on the way. A vehicle is on the way. this little clock icon here. That means that vehicle is on the way, not that the vehicle is on the way to the repair station, but actually means that the vehicle is on the way to go there and repair the actual vehicles that need to be repaired. So we have these trucks coming back again. We're gonna demonstrate with this one. This one has 630 kilos or 0. Oh, that's fast. So let's see. I think it's repairing all the vehicles at the same time. Oh, whoa, sorry. Obviously not. It's repairing only one vehicle. 0, 10%. I think it was maybe this one. 33%. Let's see. The materials are going down. 33 and 55. 0. Oh, here we go. It's repairing this one. 6, 4. It's done, right? It's done. Only had 19 kilos of repair materials left. So they're going, these vehicles are actually going to repair vehicles elsewhere. I am not sure why vehicles are not stopping by here. So no resources. Where is this one? Okay, we could have a problem over here. Oh, well, let's see if we have resources in this one. Oh, we're missing steel. Okay, so he stopped a repair in the middle of repair. It looks like the steel is the one that we require a little bit more. So what we can do here is rebalance steel versus aluminium. So let's say put 80% steel, just when they deliver any steel. I think steel is going to be a big one that we're going to have to store here. Anyway. I started building a farm. Is it assigned already? Not really. I'm going to do it manually. Groundwork, transport, dumpers. You need to go and start working on this farm. I need a silo, but looks like the land around here is just horrible. I did send a bulldozer here, but it's still not, it still didn't arrive. Here we go. And when it arrives, it has no fuel, so it's gonna go straight. Ooh, I know what to do. I'm gonna cheat now. Now let me show you how Oolykee can teach you how to cheat. You have a vehicle here. If you disassemble or remove the road from the vehicle, it cannot leave, but it cannot stop performing. So if I go and try to level this area, F2, this vehicle will be working constantly, as far as I understand it. Yeah, it's leveling the terrain, but the vehicle is not leaving the office. It's only one vehicle, so it's gonna take forever for us to do so. But yeah, anyway. So there was here in this area. I'm gonna speed this up. In this area, there's a farm. Oh, here we go. Daylight. There was a farm here, and I wanted to build a silo next. I wanted to build big farm next to the small one. Oh, so many stuff happening. Okay, let's be quick about it. We need to start supplying our so here, load, food, clothing, and electronics. Yeah, that's it, and meat. These are the 4 things that they're gonna be delivering. This is for our people. And here you're gonna just unload all of that. We need to set the limit the amounts. Let's go. Can you limit the? Here we go. Cancel. No, we need to clear all percentages. So we're gonna go for food to, let's say, 80%, clothing 10, and the electronics 10. There we go. There we go. So this is what we want to have here in this storage. And then we're gonna have meat. Meat is meat, 75 tons, that's fine. And let the vehicles, they're gonna go all now and deliver it up to 30%. I would even put it less than that, 20%. And then as soon as we start filling this up, the storage, you see these big trucks, I need to forbid them from going to the city center because they're causing traffic issues. We do have bypass going through this town. I think, yeah, I can do that right now. Let's see from here. This is going to be preventing them, hopefully. So if we put the no heavy goods vehicles, is it going to allow me to put it here? No, I have to put it. I can put it here, it doesn't matter, because they're not going to be able to get to this sign. Well, this is what the sign should be doing, preventing them from actually going in this direction. That's fine. There we go. And then they can take a bypass. Probably they will do that. We can prevent them then from here to enter this central area. Here is again fine. heavy goods vehicles in this direction. I would like to put signs maybe later because I need to upgrade these roads. They don't allow me to put it here, but again I can put it like here. That's it. These are the only 3 entrances to the city. Yeah, anyway, I think I can do this forever. Right, technical offices, these repair offices, doesn't look like they're accepting any vehicles in here. Looks like they all only go elsewhere and repair stuff elsewhere. So that's a little bit of an... I think it's a downside. I think vehicles, when they're damaged, they should be able to come here and be repaired. But looks like these little vehicles and their capacity is actually quite important. To manage all the vehicles around. See here, it says here 18 out of 15. I have no idea what that number means. Vehicles 4. This is how many vehicles can actually be. How many vehicles can actually be in the queue, and then these little vehicles, they go on site and repair that. What does these big bay mean here, like vehicle bays? I don't know. F me sideways, I have no idea what it means. I didn't see a single vehicle coming in here being repaired, so I can't judge on that. I'm just hoping that they can repair this old fella, this old girl, so we can continue importing oil. Oil-wise, I need to be like careful because like we have a fuel issue, like fuel delivery issue, because I think we're gonna have a fuel shortage shortly. We do have a couple of fueling gas stations that they have fuel, so I'm not overly worried, but only 2 trucks are delivering all the fuel here. And I'm building a 3rd gas station here where a lot of trucks are gonna be, so right over here. So we have the new farm being built. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have a problem with storage. Here, I was trying to build one of the Robses ones, like 560 tons. Sorry, 5,600 tons I hit. I don't like using 5,600. 5,600 is the capacity. But you can see here that when I try to build it, they want to level this, and then when it levels, it goes to high. I think I'm gonna play with that in the next episode, because this is gonna take a while for us to build anyway. So, big farm, big farming area here. This is where we're gonna get our crops from, which we're gonna be supplying here. And next up, do we have any chemicals? It looks like we are exporting everything. No, I'm gonna put chemical storage as well. Let's say 5% here, so we're gonna be using it here. I just need to deliver crops, start delivering crops here, so we're gonna start producing fabrics, and then later on the clothing. But unfortunately yet we don't have enough people. We only have 177 unemployed people, which is not enough. Well, we can slowly put this in operation, but I think not even slowly, but ever so slowly. Oh, you can see here that this bus actually delivered all the people. Anyway, and then we have technical services here that we can actually finish constructing. Anyway, look, let me leave this one here. We're gonna continue in the next one. I'm gonna be assigning these constructions on screen or off screen. There's not a lot of them left, so yeah, look at this one. It's still not. Is it still? Yeah, actually, it's connected now. Finally, yeah, I'm gonna have to finish this construction. Oh, sorry, distribution offices and technical services, because we have the technical service for a new fire department. Sorry, the trash. Wow. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, press the like button. If you didn't, leave a nasty comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think. Like, share, notification bell, ring it, comment section, hit it. And if you want to support the channel, I have description in the video. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.